Hi, Maryann Roses Udell, and another moment with Maryann. I just came from my morning walk today in the rain. It's so lovely to hear the sound of the rain on the umbrella. Pitter, 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 pitter. Going under a tree, having it stop. The air is fresh. The colors are so bright. This rich smell of the soil. The birds in the trees just tweeting excitedly because there's rain. And the number it does on my hair. I didn't have time to go in and fix it. I wanted to do this. Share my walk in the rain with you. I'll see you tomorrow with another moment with Maryann. Bye.